All right, let's go on to Helen from Raleigh.
Yeah, so Helen is asking what kinds of supplements are recommended to help speed up weight loss. So we prescribe FDA-approved medication that is very assistive when we're battling the conditions of overweight and obesity. And supplement-wise, there's a lot less research out there. There are some things over the counter, if that's what you're referring to. There are some things that can help. Some amino acids have been shown to help, and there are some things that claim a lot about speeding up weight loss on the market, fat burners and whatnot. A lot of them are just vitamins and amino acids that can be helpful, but the mainstay of treating weight is pharmaceutical medication, with, of course, the lifestyle and the behavior changes of the diet and the exercise. But as far as the medications, like I said, we prescribe all the FDA-approved medications. There's nothing we won't prescribe. We don't have a ton of options, but we do have a lot of really good ones, luckily. And we have a lot of experience in our practice of using them in combinations, in different doses, in different timings based on your schedule. So we can really tailor to you, Helen, what your needs are. Is it all-day hunger? Is it just nighttime cravings? Everyone kind of has their own battle, but we have some really good options, I would say, to help.
Yeah, that's right. We do. And so, for people who've never tried prescription medication to help them lose weight, and maybe they've been buying supplements, it's always an eye-opening experience. Very different.
Yeah. Very different.
Yeah. They are like, wow, why didn't I do this before? So I agree with your comment. I mean, I think a lot of supplements market themselves as speeding up your metabolism and all that stuff. And it's really hard to substantiate claims like that without any outside scrutiny to your product and any published scientific data. So it's hard to say. And there have been a lot of products over the years that have come and gone that really didn't do that. They claim to have done that. So anyway, the stuff that we prescribe to you here really helps. And we know that. We know that if you take patients doing the same diet and we add the medicine to it, the one that's doing the diet with the prescription medication is going to lose more weight than the patient just dieting without the prescription medication.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And we're going to tailor, what your long-term plan looks like, because I think there's been a misconceived notion that medications should only be used for a very short amount of time to jumpstart, and then you should be able to do it on your own. And that's just not the case. With weight, this is a chronic, progressive, relapsing, very complex, very difficult to manage medical condition. And no one should be expected to do it by themselves in the beginning or through the entire rest of their life. So for those patients who say, this helps so much, I'm really scared what's going to happen when this gets taken away or this tool is no longer part of my plan, we say that doesn't have to be the case. We will work with each individual person, and all of the FDA-approved medication recently, like over the past decade, always approved for long-term use, right? There's no medications coming out now that are only approved for 3 weeks or 3 months or even a year. They're all approved for long-term treatment of weight. So we can discuss what that looks like for you, for sure.